help us understand privilege versus public apathy. Which of these actually killed Navjot? He's a senior official of the finance ministry. Was it the BMW's impact? Was it the delay at the hospital? Or was it purely the indifference of a system that unfortunately we all deal with that goes without saying tilts towards the powerful?
Each of these factors, I would say, has played their own role. There was a delay. He was deliberately taken to a hospital where they had connects. The public, the bystanders, they showed no apathy towards them. Rather, they were busy filming the accident. And rather, the trauma response situation in our country is also really poor. Ideally, they should have also called 112 for seeking ambulance. If ambulance would have been there, probably they would have got some first aid, some dissociation, something that could have helped to save them. So this incident is not about negligence. I would call it murder. It is outrightly murder. I would not call it a mere thing of negligence and accident. And yes, I'm aware that police has also taken the blood samples. So if we are assuming intoxication also in a broad daylight and driving a like a BMW car with such high speed, that too on busy roads of Dwarka, this cannot be called negligence. This is well aware, informed decision wherein you are endangering the life of public who are on the roads.
No, you're absolutely right. And what do you make of the case details so far, Sonali? I mean, there are several theories that are doing the rounds, and the family connect also has to be proven, at least in court,
Yes.
before we actually
Yes.
talk about it. It's all alleged at this point in time, but it does go on to show us, because in that 10-kilometer radius, you had RML Hospital, you had Safdarjung, you had so many of these other hospitals. AIMS Trauma Center was right next to them. They still chose to travel all the way to GTB Nagar.
Yes. So see, when we talk about from the investigation point of view, the police will have to really actively work in terms for investigating the dispute. They really need to understand that the person who was driving the car, what was the speed? What was the speed limit for that area? What was the difference between the two? Because that attributes to negligence. Further, when we add on, when the victims, they were hit, they were well alive and responding. However, she deliberately chose to go to a hospital called New Life Hospital. Now, for making that decision, did she make any calls? Did she take someone's opinion who guided her to do that? Or it was an impromptu decision to take her in spite of so many government top-notch hospitals being so close? Rather, I would say the army hospital, RNR, army RNR, was within a range of 1.5 to 2 kilometers. And who can be better equipped for a trauma response than army?